Hello,
Hello, this is Amanda. What is your name?
my name is Ramzan. I'm from India. And where are you from?
It's nice to meet you, Ramzan. My name is Amanda. I'm from the United States, from Florida. Have you heard of Florida?
Yes, I had one friend from Florida.
Oh, excellent.
So actually, I'm interested to talk about your culture. So
Okay. Do you have any
y-
specific questions you'd like to ask me?
yes, the first question is like, what is the best thing that you found in Florida which you likes more than anything else?
Best thing I like in Florida. That's a really good question. I think for me, I really enjoy spending time outside. I
Mm-hmm.
love going to the beach and spending time on the ocean. So I would
Mm-hmm.
say for me, the best part of Florida, and I have not seen anything better, are the beaches. Um, and being out on the ocean, I love to go kayaking with my family.
Okay. And what about the, the weather over there? There is the windy or
It's nice. The weather's nice. Very cold compared to other parts of the United States. It never snows in Florida.
so you are living with your family, right?
Yes, I live with my husband, our cat, and our dog.
Okay, great. And what's your profession?
Well, I was a journalist before I started teaching English, but right now I'm actually studying.
Mm-hmm.
So it's hard to have a full-time job and study at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just a student right now.
So journalist, you mean that for news, right?
Yes, I worked for a newspaper.
Okay. And other than that, what about your education? I mean, you choose to become a journalist, or you are working on any other skills?
Yes, I studied journalism and political science for my
Mm-hmm.
undergraduate,
Mm-hmm.
and now for my master's, I'm continuing by studying education.
So that has the relation in the previous one, right?
It is related. It is related. Yes, it's related to journalism.
Okay. And yes, that is the great thing. And other than that, what I found is that in the California, there is the culture of marriage, which is like the partners are living with each others before marriage. So is it like that in Florida?
Yes, you could say that that's common in all of the United States, actually. That's very common. That you live with your boyfriend or girlfriend or your partner
Hmm.
before you are engaged and before you get married. That's very common in the United States.
So that has any specific type of benefit because of which parents are allowing this, or maybe this culture is common?
Benefits to this? Well, I think the benefit is that you can understand this person and really get to know them before you commit your whole life to them. Sometimes things change when you get married and you move in together. You're adjusting to sharing a space. How do you share the household chores, the expenses? And there can be some new stress that comes out of that situation. So I think that's why many couples prefer to live together before deciding to get married.
Okay, so the parents are supporting this specific thing, right?
Parents don't really have a choice. I take it this is very different from your culture, where parents, the suggestions of parents have a heavier weight on the
Yes,
situation.
yes. In our country, we don't have any type of, they are not allowing us to even talk. Uh, if we are studying in a college, so that is the another case that we are taking the support from them. I mean, girl or maybe boy, for any.
Yeah, so
And,
there's a lot of power in as a parent
yes,
deciding a child's partner.
yes. And even if
That's stressful.
yes, even if there is any love story, but still, that type of liberty is not over here.
Yeah, I know many cultures have this practice as well. We're out of time, Ramzan. It was so nice to talk to you. I hope
Okay,
you learned something new.
thank you so much for your time. Bye.
Nice to talk to you. Goodbye.